Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So in the previous video, we have already discussed what articles are. We have discussed the usage of articles a and an. Okay, when should we use a and when should we use an? Okay, and there are few words that sounds of a, though they are consonant, they start with a consonant, but they sound like vowel, so there we use an. Okay, and then we came to know about the usage of that the is used with nouns that have already been mentioned. Then it is used when we know who or what we mean. Then before the one of a kind or unique, before anything that is one of a kind or the thing is very unique, then we use the before the names of places or things we all know about. Then we use the before proper noun also. So these were the things that we have discussed in the previous video. So now we will start with the exercise. Okay, so the first part here is underline the articles in these sentences. One has been done for you. So you can see one has been done. The sun is shining brightly. So what is the article over here? The. Similarly, she is a very intelligent girl. So what is the article over here? A. He is the naughtiest boy in the class. Okay. So again, the. Okay. Next, I have a little puppy as a pet. So A over here and again A over here. Then a red apple grew on the tree. So a red apple grew on the tree. Mix the juice of an orange with some water and sugar. So the juice and an orange. So over here an and the. So these were the articles in these sentences. So next, here we have fill in the blanks with the articles a, an or the. So you have to fill in the blanks with either a or an or the. Okay. So let us complete this. I am very thirsty. Could you please give me dash glass of water? So could you please give me a glass of water? Then dash orange colored book is mine. Dash book has many pages. So over here, an orange colored book is mine. The book has many pages. Okay. Next, this is dash exciting story. So this is an exciting story. Dash story is well written. So the story is well written. Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. So an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Dash headman of dash village is dash very wise leader. So the headman of the village is a very wise leader. Next, I like dash blue curtains in their drawing room. So I like the blue curtains in their drawing room. Next, when I go for my holidays, I stay in dash hotel. So in a hotel. Let us all go for dash film in dash evening. So let us all go for a film in the evening. Next, when dash air freshener is used in dash room, it smells good. So when the air freshener is used, when an air freshener is used in the room, it smells good. Suruchi has dash beautiful cottage in dash hills. So Suruchi has a beautiful cottage in the hills. Traveling to Japan was an interesting experience. Next, dash chairman of the company is dash honorable person. So the chairman of the company is an honorable person. So these were the suitable articles that we have put in these sentences. Okay, in these blanks we have filled. I would request you to complete it. Okay, so in this, insert the articles the in these sentences wherever needed. So wherever we need the, we can insert it. So let us read. Thar desert is very big indeed. So over here, since it's a proper noun, it's the name of the desert, so we will insert the. The Thar desert is very big indeed. These apples are from apple tree in my garden. So these apples are from the apple tree, to specify to where it is. Okay, my brother is in classroom. So my brother is in the classroom, again to specify the place. Okay, then boys didn't want to play football. So boys didn't want to play football. So again we will begin the sentence with over here the boys. Next, I have book which you are looking for. So I have the book which you are looking for. Statue of Liberty is in New York. So again, the Statue of Liberty is in New York. Next, which is the most popular sport in the world? Again, in the world. Okay. My garden is looking lovely now that daffodils are in bloom. Okay. So again I will read this. My garden is looking lovely now that the daffodils are in bloom. Okay. So these were all for your exercise. Okay. I would request you to complete it, go through the chapter, learn the exercise properly. Okay. This was I would request you to please try to complete it on your own, revise it, learn it. Okay, go through the chapter, learn the rules, the usage of articles and everything in the chapter. Okay, so in the next video we will be moving forward to chapter 10, that is adjective. That was all for today's class. Thank you.